Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues. I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all of you to the third gathering of Global Research Conference, which was previously known as Graduate Research Conference. The first GRACE was held in 2016 at Taman Tamadun Islam, Kuala Terengganu, Malaysia, and it is followed by the second physical conference of GRACE at Institute of Leadership and Development ILD Nilai Negeri Sembilan. For this year, as concerns over a pandemic of coronavirus infections, COVID-19, the committee has decided to move GRACE 2020 from a physical to virtual conference and take GRACE 2020 to the next level, where we rebranding it to the Global Research Conference instead of Graduate Research Conference. To achieve UiTM goals and target setting by Ministry of Education Malaysia, we set up the GRACE 2020 as Scopus Index Conference. Therefore, we only receive research papers that meet the criteria of Scopus Index Journals with the theme Hybridizing Transdisciplinary Research Towards Digital Society 5.0. Ladies and gentlemen, in GRACE 2020, we have gone through some tough experience. Thus, I would like to express my gratitude to several parties for making GRACE 2020 a successful conference. First of all, a million thanks to our supportive Rector, Associate Prof. T.S. Dr. Mazidah Puteh, and our Deputy Rector of Research and Industrial Linkages, Dr. Haji Rosman Mahmud, as our advisors. Thank you so much for the full supports and trust in ensuring GRACE 2020 as an index conference a reality. To Associate Professor Dr. Mas'ud Muhammadian from University of Canberra, Australia, thank you so much for accepting our invitation as a keynote speaker. Despite his tight schedule, Associate Professor Dr. Mas'ud Muhammadian is still willing to share with us his thought. To our invited speakers, Prof. Dr. Amlan Chakrabarti, Director of School of Information Technology, University of Calcutta, India, Prof. Dr. Siti Aisyah Mohsen from Department of Educational Studies, Faculty of Human Development, University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, Associate Professor Dr. Muhammad Sadiq Ali Khan from Department of Computer Science, University of Karachi, Pakistan, and Associate Prof. Dr. Bhagwan Tas from Department of Electronic Engineering, Quaid-e-Awam University of Engineering, Science and Technology, Pakistan. Thank you for accepting our invitation and for the support given to GRACE 2020. Also, to our invited industrial speaker, Mr. Fazrul Izwan Hassan, Chief Technology Sedania Assalam Capital, thank you so much for your valuable thought sharing in GRACE 2020. To all the special session chairs from all over the world, thank you so much for being ambassadors in representing GRACE 2020. A remark of high appreciation goes to our strategic partners and collaborators, University Tun Hussein On Malaysia, University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, Terengganu Government State, Instrumentation and Petroleum Service Asia Sdn Bhd, and Scientific Innovation Research Group from Bani Suef University, Egypt. Thank you so much for the support and cooperation, particularly in terms of expertise. Not to forget to my energetic, supportive crew members who have been working since October 2019 to ensure the quality conference, the quality of reviewing process, and the quality paper selection. Through the deepest of my heart, I would like to say thank you so much, and only Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala is able to grant the best to all of you. This is a teamwork. I congratulate you and everybody associated with these efforts for getting so much done so quickly in ensuring all the hard works since the beginning of the conference setting until all the papers successfully be published soon. To all the GRACE 2020 presenters, participants and reviewers, thank you so much for the support and your participation. Ladies and gentlemen, GRACE 2020 started its call for papers on 5 November 2019, and officially deadline for papers submission was on 1st June 2020. Basically, GRACE 2020 offers three main tracks, which are recent practice and innovations in science, engineering and technology, challenge and innovation in social science and holistic education for digital society 5.0. In addition, to enhance the GRACE 2020 to the international level, we also provide special sessions which led by the special session chairs who came from all over the world, including Ukraine, Jordan, Morocco, Argentina, India, and various experts from Malaysia as well. From that, we have received 21 special sessions that focus on specific research areas such as machine learning and pattern recognition in intelligent systems and robotics, emerging business, accounting and economics development for digital society 5.0, and Quranic informatics. Praise to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, GRACE 2020 was managed to receive 287 submissions from various research from all over the world, including New Zealand, Indonesia, India, Thailand, Australia, Iraq, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and many more countries. I am proud to share that we also received a paper from our university Vice Chancellor, Prof. Emeritus Datuk IR Dr. Muhammad Azran Qasim. Thank you so much for your support to GRACE 2020. Besides, a few papers received from a number of famous scholars, including Prof. Dr. Mas'ud Muhammadian from University of Canberra, Australia, Prof. Ismail Musirin, Prof. Norman Masrek, Prof. Aziz Rahman, and other familiar scholars. Thank you so much. For a note, the selected papers have gone through independent double-blind review led by the experts from various universities all over the world. After rigorous review process, we selected only 230 to be submitted to Scopus Index journals and rejected the papers that do not meet the Scopus criteria. This is to ensure that we meet the standard of our policy to have only high-quality papers presented in GRACE 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, inshallah, we will maintain our key performance to be acknowledged as an index conference. This is to provide Universiti Teknologi Mara Cawangan Terengganu with a wider networking and align with the academic agenda for all scholars. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite all scholars, researchers, academicians, and industrial practitioners to join GRACE 2020 through our official YouTube channel and to stay in touch with us for GRACE 2022. With the remark, I end my speech. Thank you so much, and may Allah bless us all.